Hey Mom, how are you? Good. Yeah, I'm heading home from the city. Well, I had a few meetings and I think they went okay. But I'm heading home now. I'm literally not going out. I just want to have a pancake Friday night. How's everything with you? Yep, I just got to my car now. Yes, I'm wearing my headphone thingies. Of course I've joined the tribe. What's wrong with my headphones? Alright, Mum, I'm driving now, so I'll give you a call a little later. Bye, love you, bye.
So I live in this super cute 3-bedder in Sydney's inner west. I'm such a homebody. I will literally sneak out of parties just to come home early. And this little itty bitty human right here likes to come home and recharge her batteries using puppy power. This right here is my relaxing nighttime routine, featuring my baby puppers, my fur children. So enjoy. Come here. Eat your biscuits. Eat your biscuits. Good girl. Good girl, come on. Eat your biscuits. So once I have finished supervising Sasha and her kibble, I like to make my way over to my bathroom so I can actually start to unwind. And I feel like two things signify the end of a long ass day. Number one is removing your bra, and we all love that feeling. And number two is removing your makeup, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Sometimes I daydream about like the week that was, and I think about it too much, and I just need to like get out of my own head, which is what I'm doing right now because I'm anti-negativity, okay? I'm at home, I'm in my zone, and I'm ready to get my skins freak on. Now I have two of these cleansers. I like to keep one by my sink and one in the shower. This is the Frank Body Anti-Makeup Cleansing Oil. This is like no other cleansing oil because you don't need a towel or a cloth to wipe it off. This is water soluble. All you have to do is pop it onto dry skin and start to slightly loosen the makeup on the surface of your skin, and then you add a little bit of water. It emulsifies. It turns into this beautiful silky white consistency over your face that literally can get rid of the most stubborn makeup. And it also contains beta hydroxy acids, which helps deal with congested skin, breakouts, and just general pimples, so you don't have to worry about using an oil and having that oil break you out, because this oil helps to treat breakouts and remove your makeup. What? Now, a relaxing nighttime skincare routine wouldn't be a relaxing nighttime skincare routine without a face mask. So I am using the Anti-Drama face mask, and yes, I have two of these as well. What can I say? I'm just obsessed with these products. No, seriously. This is one of my favorites because it can effectively treat breakouts and calm down inflammation on the skin, but it's kind to skin. Usually when you have products that are aimed at treating problematic skin, there's chemicals, there's a bunch of like ingredients, names that I can't even pronounce. But this one contains charcoal, chamomile, honey, lavender, evening primrose oil, and all of these products, all of these ingredients work together to soothe inflamed skin and also help treat your breakouts. So you leave this mask on to do its thing for about 10 to 15 minutes, which is perfect for me, so I can prepare my din-dins. Now, for those of you who don't know, because you're not following me on Instagram, I have a completely plant-based diet, which I found to be incredibly beneficial for my skin and for my gut health. So I'm going to show you how I prepare one of my really quick and easy vegan, very nutritious and delicious meals. So you want to start off with some rice, quinoa, any sort of grains that you prefer. Oh, and by the way, this is like one of my favorite snacks to have when I'm feeling a bit peckish, so I'll leave that in the description box down below. But I add 2 cans of beans, and this can be any beans that you like. I like to mix the 4 mixed beans and also black beans together because they are honestly my favorite. Like, this combination is absolutely delicious in my opinion. Now, because rice and beans can be a little bit heavy, I like to add a few bits of mint to this dish because I find that the mint helps to freshen and just lighten up this dish. It is absolutely delicious. I also add 1 red onion, and of course you can add more onions to taste if you do prefer your salads with more onion in them. I also grate 1 medium carrot, and to dress my salads I like to use something very healthy, which is just olive oil and lemon with a little bit of salt. Now, I always make sure to have a portion of raw vegetables or vegetable when I have my dinner. So tonight I'm having cauliflower because we have a lot of that in the fridge right now. I also grilled some tofu. I seasoned it with turmeric, pepper, salt, and Italian herbs. Now, I also love hummus. Like, that for me is a staple, and so is this green sauerkraut mix that I got from, I think it was Harris Farm. By the way, if you want to know where all my money is, it's at Harris Farm markets. I'm always there, like every second day I'm at Harris Farm. So this is like my typical dinner. So I usually do a food dance and make my way over to the couch. Now, if you have dogs, there is no such thing as eating your food in peace. Like, my dogs literally swarm to me, and usually I have to give up my seat on the couch because we don't have a dining table anymore, because just the layout of our house, we can't have a dining table. So usually I am pushed off of the couch and I sit on the floor, and I honestly don't mind. Like, I did this as a kid. I would sit on the floor and watch TV, sit on the floor and have my dinner, and it's just something that I enjoy doing, like sitting on the floor. I know, it sounds so weird. So like I said, I give up my seat to my beautiful doggies, which I don't mind because I adore them to bits and they are so cute. Like, how can you not? Now, I spend quite a lot of time in the evenings with my dogs because sometimes they get so busy throughout the day that I genuinely feel really, really guilty. So I actually rescued my dogs Sasha and Manny from 2 different pounds in Sydney Southwest. One was Renbury Farm and the other one was Blacktown Pound. And if you are looking for a fur baby, there are so many beautiful animals at the pound that need a new home, and they are absolutely gorgeous, like so loving and caring. And even though I rescued these dogs from the pound, I always say that I'm the one who was super lucky to have them because they are just so beautiful and they each have their own little personalities, and I honestly cannot imagine my life without them now. Once I finished having my dinner, I like to make my way back over to my bathroom so I can continue on with my skincare regime. Now, I like to make my way over to the basin so I can remove my mask. And what I love, like absolutely love about this mask is it's super easy to remove. Like, you can just splash some water over your face and the formula quickly and very easily rinses off. I like to use a face halo and then use some water to rinse off my mask, and then I go right in with this bad boy. And wait. This product seriously has the best name. It is called the Anti-Angry Face Mist, and it is so fitting because there is so many times where I've pulled out this face mist where I felt like my patience was being tested because the scent is super grounding. I like to say that this product soothes aggravated skin and also aggravated soles too. So I read somewhere that hyaluronic acid should be like a staple in your skincare routine, which is why I am using the Swisse Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum because I'm really concerned about my eye area right now. And one pump does both eyes. You can apply this to the skin underneath your eyes, on your mobile lid, your brow bone, and also around your crow's feet area too. Now, I also like to press a little bit of this over my lips just so it can help with wrinkly lips in the future. I'm not sure if it does anything, but just in case. Now, your girl here is bone dry, which is why I like to use the Yuni Beauty Zenicure facial oil. This is one of my favorite facial oils because it's super fast absorbing. It helps to firm your skin if that is something that you feel like you need right now in your life. This oil is honestly like a very awesome find and inclusion in my nighttime skincare routine. I loved it so much that I went out and I got the Yuni Acti Calm Firming Facial Moisturiser to follow, and I popped this on my face, on my neck and my chest area, and that is my skincare routine done. Now, I've been dabbling a lot in essential oils. Now, if you asked me a year ago about essential oils, I would have told you that they were stupid, but I have completely come around to them, and I do find that they help me relax and unwind, because naturally I am quite an anxious person, and I especially love the Pure Rest and Pure Bliss one. So I'll link those down below, and some of my other favorite essential oils too. I also brush my teeth, which I didn't show you because I find it weird watching people brush their teeth. Is anybody else like that, or is it just me? Now, after I'm done in the bathroom, I make my way over to my bedroom so I can get cozy and get comfy, and of course, I am in my Grammy pajamas. Every night I like to light my This Works candle, and this helps me, feel a little more relaxed. I also use the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by This Works, and if I don't use it, I find it really hard to fall asleep. So this stuff really does work. And I do find that getting lost in a good book helps me head over to the land of Nod very quickly and very easily. John usually gets home from work really late, so he usually comes home, turns off all the lights, gives me a little goodnight kiss so I can sleep happily throughout the night. Thank you so much for watching my relaxing nighttime routine, and I'll see you all in a brand new video next week. Bye!